guys, I'm Avigat and in this video we'll look at strings in Java. In the last video we looked at primitive data types and they all have a fixed size. Int or integer, for example, has a fixed size of 4 bytes and char or character has a fixed size of 2 bytes. Strings are non-primitive data types, so that means they don't have a fixed size, and I'll show you what I mean right now. The letter A, the symbol question mark, the number 5. These are all single characters, but strings are a collection of these characters. So if I want to store the word Java, for example, so Java, this has 4 characters, J-A-V-A. So that means that this word has a size of 8 bytes. So each character has a size of 2 bytes. So 4 characters, that means 8 bytes. If I want to store my name, Avigat, this has 6 characters. That means this has a size of 12 bytes. As you can see, there's no fixed size to any string, as they differ according to what you store and how many characters are there. Now let's look at some examples and functions of string. So now let's look at a basic function of string. So string is a data type that stores a value, just like all the other data types we've looked at. So first of all, I'll have to give the type of the variable, so that's string with an S capital. Then I have to create a variable, so let's just call it var. And then I have to give an equal to operator, and then I have to give a value in double quotes. Let's say I want to write hello. So now I can simply print it, and then I can write the variable name, so var. And now if I print this, it will show hello. Let's compile it and check. Void main, there, hello. You can also add strings. So now that I've created one variable such as that says hello, I can create another variable and I can call this variable, let's say var2, and in double quotes I can write world. Now I can print var and that will print hello, but if I want to print hello world, then I'll have to write var plus var2 void main hello world. But as you can see, there's no space. So to add that space, what we can do is create a space right here. So over here in this double quotes, I can give a space. Now let's look at some string methods. There are various methods in string, but in this video we'll look at a few of them. So firstly, I'll create my variable string and I'll call it greeting. And the greeting will be good morning. Now I will write system.out.println and inside this I will write greeting. Now there is a method to count the number of characters in this string. So in this there are 12 characters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Note that the space is also a character. So now to print the number of characters in this, I'll have to write greeting dot length and then two brackets. Now if I print this will give me an output of 12. Let's check it. There, 12. This was just one function. There is also a function to turn all of this into uppercase. So I can write greeting dot to uppercase. And if I print this, everything will be coming in uppercase. Good morning. There. Similar to this, there is also another method to lowercase, which is the same thing. So now if I type good morning and then I write to lowercase This will print good morning, all in lowercase. Now let's look at another useful method. So if I ask for their name, supposing name, and the user writes their name, so first name, they write their first name, and then before that they give like a couple of spaces here and there, and then some couple of spaces right there. There is a method to remove all of these spaces, these extra spaces. That is the trim method. So what I can do is I can write the variable name, so name dot trim followed by some brackets. Now if I print this, it will print first name with 0 spaces, void main, there. Otherwise, if I straight away print name, it will print first name with all of these extra spaces. So hope you learned something about strings in this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.